Imagine being able to pack your bags tonight and fly tomorrow, no paperwork, no embassy lines, no stress. What if I told you there are countries just waiting for you, visa-free in 2025? No forms, no interviews, just pure adventure. From tropical beaches to historic cities, the world is opening its doors wider than ever. Think about the money and time you'll save when you skip the visa process. Wouldn't it be incredible to just book a ticket and go? Well, today I'm bringing you 15 countries that welcome you without a visa in 2025. Some will surprise you, others you've always dreamed of visiting. The only question is, where will you go first? So buckle up, because this journey is about freedom, adventure, and zero paperwork. 1. Maldives' crystal blue waters, luxury villas, and stunning coral reefs, yes. The Maldives welcomes many travelers without a visa. Did you know you can get up to 30 days, stay on arrival, hassle-free? This means you can wake up in an overwater bungalow without the paperwork nightmare. It's a dream destination where all you need is your passport. So, are you ready to dive into paradise without waiting for approval? The Maldives is more than beaches. It's a chance to disconnect and rediscover yourself. From snorkeling to spa retreats, you'll never run out of unforgettable moments. Wouldn't it feel like a true luxury to just step into paradise without borders? 2. Thailand. Thailand's mix of temples, beaches, and street food makes it a global favorite. In 2025, many nationalities can enter visa-free for up to 30 days. Imagine tasting pad thai in Bangkok or relaxing on Phuket's beaches without worrying about permits. This makes Thailand one of the easiest Asian destinations for spontaneous trips. So, would you spend your days in ancient ruins or on sandy shores? Thailand is also famous for its night markets and unforgettable island hopping. It's a place where modern energy and ancient tradition blend perfectly. And honestly, who wouldn't want stress-free entry to the land of smiles? 3. Indonesia. With Bali's beaches and volcano hikes in Java, Indonesia is a top travel magnet. You can literally land and go straight to the islands of your choice. From rice terraces to spiritual temples, adventure is limitless. So, which island would you explore first, Bali, Java, or Lombok? Indonesia also has hidden gems like Komodo Island, where dragons roam freely. It's not just about travel. It's about unique stories you'll bring home. Wouldn't you love to explore 17,000 islands with zero visa stress? Puerto Nepal. Home to the mighty Himalayas, Nepal is all about breathtaking treks. Many passport holders can enter visa-free or get easy visas on arrival. Imagine hiking through Everest Base Camp without embassy stress. Nepal also offers rich culture, monasteries, and ancient traditions. Would you choose to climb mountains or explore Kathmandu's streets first? Even if you're not a trekker, Nepal's wildlife parks and spiritual sites are amazing. The people's warmth adds magic to every journey. Doesn't the idea of standing beneath the Himalayas without paperwork excite you? 5. Fiji. This island paradise gives up to 4 months of visa-free entry. Picture palm trees, coral reefs, and warm Fijian hospitality waiting for you. You can explore traditional villages and swim in turquoise lagoons stress-free. Fiji makes long tropical escapes easy and affordable. So, would you stay a week or take all 4 months? The islands also host fire dances, kava ceremonies, and vibrant local traditions. You'll feel like part of a big island family the moment you arrive, and who wouldn't want months of sunshine without a visa? 6. Qatar. Qatar, with its futuristic skyline and desert adventures, allows visa-free entry to many. Walk through the Souk Waqif, explore the Pearl, or watch a desert sunset. You can enjoy both luxury shopping and ancient culture. The 2025 update keeps Qatar one of the fastest entry spots in the Middle East. So, would you spend your time in the city lights or the golden sands? Qatar is also home to world-class museums and unique architecture. The blend of tradition and innovation makes it unforgettable. Doesn't the idea of modern skyscrapers rising from the desert amaze you? 7. Kenya. Safari lovers rejoice. Kenya is visa-free for many travelers now. Imagine spotting lions, elephants, and giraffes without visa stress. The Great Migration is one of the world's most amazing wildlife events. Plus, you can relax by the Indian Ocean coast after a safari. Would you choose the wild plains or white sandy beaches first? Kenya also lets you connect with Maasai culture and traditions. It's an adventure filled with both nature and history. Isn't it time to see wildlife documentaries come alive before your eyes? 8. Barbados. Barbados offers visa-free entry and a lifestyle full of sunshine. Think rum punch, reggae beats, and stunning Caribbean beaches. It's one of the easiest places to unwind without paperwork. And yes, the food and festivals are unforgettable too. Would you explore the beaches or join a carnival first? Barbados also has lush gardens and colonial history worth exploring. The people's warmth makes it feel like home instantly. Don't you think a stress-free Caribbean getaway sounds perfect? 9. Dominica. This Caribbean gem isn't as crowded as others, making it a hidden treasure. Dominica allows visa-free travel for many, giving you hassle-free island time. From waterfalls to hot springs, it's called the Nature Island. Here, you can hike, dive, or just soak in nature. So would you relax in hot springs or chase waterfalls? Dominica also offers whale watching, something few islands can match. Its untouched beauty is its greatest treasure. Wouldn't you want to discover a Caribbean island without the crowds? 10. Philippines. With over 7,000 islands, the Philippines is a paradise for explorers. Many nationalities enjoy up to 30 days visa-free here. Imagine white sands in Boracay or lagoons in Palawan, all without stress. Filipino culture adds warmth to every trip. Would you start with beaches, cities, or hidden lagoons? The food is just as diverse from adobo to halo-halo. Every island feels like a new adventure waiting to be discovered. Doesn't island hopping visa-free sound like the dream trip of 2025? 11. Turkey. Where East meets West, Turkey offers culture, history, and beauty. In 2025, many can enjoy visa-free access here. From Istanbul's mosques to Cappadocia's hot air balloons, it's pure magic. You can even soak in Pamukkale's white terraces. So, would you rather float above Cappadocia or explore Hagia Sophia first? Turkey also gives you vibrant bazaars and rich Ottoman history. The mix of modern energy and ancient culture is unmatched. Who wouldn't want to cross 2 continents in one trip? 12. Serbia. Serbia in Europe welcomes many without a visa. It's affordable, lively, and filled with history. Belgrade's nightlife and monasteries are both world-class, and it's an underrated gem for European adventures. Would you explore medieval castles or party by the Danube? Serbia also has stunning national parks and river cruises. It's a destination that surprises most visitors in the best way. Doesn't visiting Europe's hidden gems, visa-free sound tempting? 13. Seychelles. This Indian Ocean beauty lets travelers in visa-free all year round. White beaches, rare wildlife, and stunning resorts await. It's the kind of place that feels like stepping into a postcard. No paperwork, just paradise. So, would you choose to snorkel, sail, or just relax? Seychelles also has giant tortoises and hidden jungle trails. It's luxury and adventure rolled into one. Wouldn't you want to spend endless days in paradise with zero hassle? 14. Haiti. Despite challenges, Haiti's culture, art, and beaches shine brightly. Visa-free access makes visiting much easier in 2025. You'll find colorful art, delicious food, and music everywhere. Plus, the beaches remain stunningly untouched. Would you explore history or dive straight into local rhythms? Haiti also hosts unique carnivals filled with life and color. It's raw, authentic, and truly unforgettable. Wouldn't you want to explore the Caribbean's most soulful destination? 15. Ecuador. From the Amazon rainforest to the Galapagos Islands, Ecuador is unforgettable. Many passport holders get up to 90 days visa-free, Imagine walking in colonial Quito, then sailing with giant tortoises. It's the perfect adventure mix of city, jungle, and islands. Would you choose the Amazon, Andes, or Galapagos first? Ecuador also has the Equator Line Monument, literally the middle of the world. Every region feels like a completely different country. Isn't it amazing that one passport stamp can unlock all of this? Outro, 8 lines. So there you have it. 15 countries you can visit in 2025 without a visa. No paperwork, no stress, just the open world waiting for you. Imagine the time you'll save and the adventures you'll unlock. But here's the question. Out of all these destinations, which one is calling your name first? Comment below, because your dream trip might just inspire someone else too. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel secrets and adventures. The world is open. Are you ready to explore it? Your next adventure starts with a single decision. Will you take it?